All right, good morning, good morning. Everybody rocking and rolling this morning. Looking at the AI Auto Trader here. Mark Miller, your host this morning. Good morning. Got a decent looking trade right here. This is the Mack Truck. Mack Truck bot. Good morning, Marcia. Woo! Awesome. God bless you, your family and friends. Awesome. Had a great Halloween, huh? Anybody have any goblins show up? I live down here in Miami Beach and on Lincoln Road, and we had quite a little party last night. A lot of entertainment. They have live music on the street. Really cool environment. A lot of people dress up. It's cool to see everybody in their costumes. All right, the Steven drone here. It's taking off this morning. RJ, good morning. Good to see ya. Vincent, good morning. Awesome. Hopefully Rue shows up. Just in case anybody isn't getting text messages, there's an election coming up. I don't know how I did it, but boy, I sure ended up on a damn text message list for the election. Woo! They're hitting me with at least 2 to 4 a day. Anybody getting any of those text messages, or is that just me? Hey, let's make some money today. Anybody out there doing any trading yet? Ooh, we're working the leaderboard now. So again, you're looking at the AI Auto Trader. It's software that we develop at Right Line Trading, and this particular strategy right here is called the Mack Truck. It's a 20 Unarenko on the NQ. It's one of my favorite strategies. Now I have it running on my live account up on the other computer. It's a nice, slow strategy. It's methodical. If you kind of noticed, as it took this trade, it started out down here with the stop, then it moved it up to break even, and then it moved it up to its profit window. Awesome. Mack Truck's at $1,000, baby. Woo! Coming in hot this morning. Mack Truck. Great little strategy. It waits till the trend is really built before it jumps in for the most part. Wait for 4 candles on a 20 Unarenko, so that's a long run. Just kind of give you a scope of what a Unarenko candle does. Is this one, so it's 20 Unarenko, so that means it will build a new candle as soon as 20 ticks move in that direction. So when I see 1 green, I go to 2 green, that's 20 ticks, or 4 points. That's another way to look at it. 4 ticks and a point, so it's 4 points. Anyway, so 20 ticks, 40 ticks, 80 ticks, plus the 100. So it's like a 180 tick directional move before we take the trade. So you try to make sure that they're not just head faking you on this particular strategy. It just woke up at 9:30 and started looking for an opportunity to jump in the market. So it found a good one there. Go ahead and show you how to get the account set up and roll some evals here. Let's go ahead and get the Steven boy. Let's go see this. Hey, Rue, awesome. Rue, send me an email if you don't mind. I want to work out a deal with you. I want you to be a bigger part of this community. I think you'd be awesome trading here. Always looking for good traders, by the way. That's what the whole idea of a prop firm is. I want to get good traders who can who can go live, and we partner up and make some cash together. Rue is going live, baby. There we go. How's the audio today? Is it too loud, too quiet? All right. Oh boy, we got good Black Friday action going on. Right line trading and Black Friday action. Everybody's getting excited about it. We've got a webinar tomorrow, AI Auto Trader, right here. Rory Powers, 2 o'clock, Saturday afternoon. He's going to go through the nuts and bolts of this system inside and out. Show you how it made $1,000 here this morning. Let's go ahead and add one to a, add some into a eval account here. Couple of ways to do it if you own our system. We give you these templates here, these individual bots. Each day these numbers reset to 0. So starting at 6 p.m. yesterday, this bot acquired $1,300 starting from 0. This one's acquired $1,000. Now these down here have lost money. So you don't bet on these. I meant to mention here any trading opportunities that I provide either electronically or orally, they're for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team, we're not financial advisors, we're traders. We develop trading software. So we're not financial advisors. So please, before you trade, reach out to a licensed financial advisor. Go over your financial situation and make sure that you're not trading with more money than you can afford to lose. Because this is big time. This is the big time here. This one will leave a mark quickly. So it's good to have something that's controlled and managed here. So yeah, we the strategy is wake up, look at your bots, check out your bots. Which ones are doing good? What that means is that the strategy, the bot, is meeting the market in the right place. We call it market intelligence. There's no better market intelligence than what's making money right now. Period. Anybody can tell you all the predictive indicators that they want, but the reality is how many dollar bills is this thing making right now? And that's what we do. That's market intelligence. So right here is how many dollars these have made today. And it'll fluctuate. Sometimes Steven right here will go off like a mad trader, and it'll blow up, and it'll end up making some big time cash like this. On August 2nd, here live on a Friday, this strategy right here, numero uno today, ran up $5,289 live. No BSing at all. Everybody watching every single trade. Let's go watch that Steven bot. When that market gets zooming, this thing's like a bad habit, chasing price. Chasing price all day long. We'll get Steven to work here. So again, if you own our system, a couple of ways to get the bot set up. But if you owned it, you would wait till it's done with a trade, or you just shut it down off the trade. There's a lot of ways to do it. The favorite way for me is just to hit close. Boom. Dumps it out of the trade. It also disables the strategy. Disables the strategy, so now that the strategy is disabled, you can right mouse click on this guy and just go change the account. Go edit it. Just scroll down to account. Right down here. Set up account. And now we go scroll up, and on my live account, the number of my NinjaTrader brokerage accounts right on the top. And when you're trading prop accounts, it's right on top too. So you just scroll all the way to the top of the rung there, hit OK, and you're in business. So now the Steven drone is going to trade to this account instead of the sim account that it was trading into. And like I mentioned, we forward test them. We test our bots into a simulation account and look at the real life money that they'll make. I will show you right now today that the Steven drone here will take the trade in the sim account and the eval account at the almost exact same time. And sometimes it is exact. So we got it all fired up there. I'm going to go bring a new strategy in now, and you know, this is the other way. If you were to want to keep your sim account running and not mess with your one that's running really good, you then go do it this way. And bring it in. And now just go down, make sure you got your account, the instrument correct, and the account. And this one's the NQ Steven. So we've got two now. I'll show you what they look like down here. So I duplicated it. There's two Stevens, two identical strategies, both called Steven drone. One of them is trading to that sim account still, and one of them is trading to my eval account. So this is really just like a trade copier. One of our valued members in our Discord community. Bring over Discord in a second here. Yeah, Angel. I was thinking it was Angel. Angel dropped in a question. Scott dropped in and thank you, Scott. Thank you, Angel. Everybody participating. David, everybody who's Kay, everybody's Nickel. Everybody who's participating here, but I just wanted to help Angel here, Angel, valued member of our trading community. Awesome, got it 189 online right now. Thank you, all of our members. Hope we're bringing value to you every day, and thank you for sharing what you learn with other people. It's really, really powerful in numbers. But Scott dropped in a nice savings. This is an exclusive private Discord chat that we have here, just the AI Auto Trader members. We've got Angel was asking the question, you know, why would he buy a trade copier if he could just add, several bots to different accounts right here. So this is an example. I can just add another Steven drone trading to 1841, another Steven drone trading to 1842, blah blah blah. So that's one way to do it, and the other way is to use a trade copier over here. And there's no, I don't know a clear advantage or one or the other. They both get filled whenever the market order gets executed. So I don't know that there's a time difference. I think for me it's probably just user friendliness. It's a little easier to just do that than to right click and create a new strategy. So for me, I think that's the only difference that I've seen, is it's a little more user friendly to have a trade copier. But it's the same fill, it's the same setup. So we've got Steven armed and ready to go to work here. Steven's up pretty good already. Hope we didn't join the party a little too late. So I've got 1840 as my leader account. And then 41 and 42 are the followers. So we'll watch 1840 here, and we'll watch the sim account that I'm using to drive it. So over on the right, I've got the sim account that I'm using to drive it. On the left, I've got the eval account. We'll get them both set up with the right Unarenko bars. So it trades on an 8 Unarenko. That's 8, 20, 40. So each new green bar means 8 ticks. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. All right, Marcia. Marcia's an affiliate. Woohoo! Let's go, Marcia. All right, Rue pulled in 5,200. Congratulations. Thanks, Vincent. Michael, appreciate that. Finally. Our audios are tough. I mean, everybody, all of our traders are now online doing YouTube live streams, and it's been the biggest challenge, I think, for us is the microphones. Man, when you're doing it, you have no context. You're talking in your room or whatever, and it seems right. Yeah, you don't notice that you're not coming through properly. So it's annoying, I guess, to say the least. All right, Steven pulled in a couple of whales yesterday. Congratulations, Steven. Woo! Awesome, man. I might have got on Steven here just a tad late. I don't know. It was running up the leaderboard here. It's up 1,500. It's waiting for another move. Still number one on my accounts tab. We're running the NQ 8 Unarenko chart on this particular one. How about that Mack truck? Woohoo! Made some good money on my live account on that one too. You know, and that's the tough thing about promoting is, man, you open your mouth and the good Lord just has a good way of breaking even. Making you break even. Oh. Every time you say how good you are, someone tells you how you're not. It's the reality of life. All right. Let's hope for some good luck here. Got the market doing its thing here. We're trying to battle back from yesterday's punch in the face. Yesterday dropped about 300 points here on us, which was great to trade. 401k took a beating though. Nvidia is getting back to where I sold it at. Let me check today. I sold at 134. I was going to wait for a pullback to 100, do a swing trade back in on it. Okay, Nvidia 136. Here's where we're trading. We're trading the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures, December 2024 contract. We call it the NQ. That's what the instrument's called. Uh-oh. Couple of errors there. Had a little bit of a database problem on my PC. I had to reload the RTY earlier today. So we're getting a big pump right now. $20,079, 137. So we're making a little bit of an upward climb here. A little bit of an upward trend. Could be a good long trade day.
Order submitted.
Everything's green. Everything's up today. Good long trade day. Good day to put on longs only.
Order submitted.
And we took a short trade. Yeah. That's the way it goes. And why didn't Steven jump in here? Let's see.
Order submitted.
Steven Jones.
Order filled.
Ooh. That's the wrong Steven.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, going against me here. Got her stop in a pretty decent position, although it is an uptrend here. Looking at a pretty good uptrend in the market, so we're fighting a lot of resistance here. Price is wanting to move up. So I had the wrong Steven. I gotta, once this trade's over, I'll save the strategy and then reload it, and it'll be the right one then. This is the one that was making money right here. Big wide stop. It's a $500 stop, I think. Eleanor, good morning. Awesome. Anybody making money, having fun here? Come on. $200 bill now. Looking at 3. 400. Came down, closed the door. Awesome. Nice move. $1,000 move. Good trade. All right, so let's get Steven set up properly here. So they're both trading exactly the same.
Order submitted.
Got to bring this guy over and save it because apparently the settings that I had in the background were a little different. So I'm saving it to my database there. And now I can go grab it. New strategy. Go grab that template that I just saved. Oh, Steven. Steven's a money-making machine. So this is the ATM of the one that I'm trading. It's a 100 tick stop loss, so it's a whopper. It's a $500 loser. Punch you in the face, $500 flash move here, but it's a $1,000 winner if you let her run out. I snapped mine a little bit short there on purpose.
Order submitted.
Sometimes it's good to take the money and run. Looks like it's continuing to fall, though. I probably would have made almost a full winner, it looks like. Yeah, baby.
Order filled.
That's the way it goes. That's trading. It's better to have $1,000 than a punch in the face. Okay, now we've got two identical strategies, I hope.
Filled.
And when one jumps in, the other one should jump in too. Looks like we might have just missed that little bit of a long trade. So just show you where that other one played out. I jumped it out right here. She could have ran down for another good little bit of a run here. Sixty more ticks. We're in the bank there.
Order filled.
Although I would have tightened up a little bit. It came back another 20 ticks on me. Came back another $100. That would have tensed up a little bit. Okay, so we made money on a short trade right after we thought we were going long. That's why the bot's better at pulling the trigger than I am.
Order filled.
We've got some great super specials going on. Black Friday, we'll be the first ones to go out with Black Friday.
Order submitted.
Best time of the year. It's turning into an amazing time of the year.
Order submitted.
Steve Cherry, you out there? We need to know when enough is enough. Steve's our good angel. Yeah, Vincent, on my live account up there, I'm using the Mack truck drone.
Order filled.
Right here, we're at 483 this morning. Up there on my live account, I'm using this strategy, the Mack truck drone. When you have Ninja Trader brokerage, you run it on a different computer. You can't have the same communication data feed on the same computer. So running this this data over here, so this is the rhythmic data for the Apex.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got the Steven drone just cruising around trying to find an opportunity. This one's a signal C entry, so it's this is the indicator that we use to let us know it's time to jump in or not. It's an oscillator. It's got the pulse on the market. We also have some other filters in there protecting us from some certain areas that we know tend to reject price, like volume zones and support zones, and
Order submitted.
don't like to go against the market structure of the 50. So this is our 50 EMA right here, this green line, dark one, solid one.
Order submitted.
Our faster line that keeps up with 15 price changes is right here. So those are moving averages. Like to use those in our setups for entries. They tend to tell you a story if you start to look at them. So we got the Steven drone leading the way this morning. We jumped in with it. We got it running 4 accounts here. Took one decent trade.
Order filled.
Starting to get more traders online presenting. I don't know if anybody's seen our other traders. We got David Wise, David Kushner,
Order filled.
going live. Going live on YouTube. David Wise will follow me today at 11. Share some market insights and options trading. Oh boy, he handed us a beauty the other day. Wow, what a move. What a move on Tesla. Oh my goodness. That was like a freebie. I was just sitting there with my catcher's mitt. Holy moly, caught a damn whopper. Oh my gosh. If you're not getting those trades yet, you should jump in the ring and at least get them. We've got a free 2-week trial. Just get in the ring, at least see what they look like. Test them out. Paper trade them. That's what they call it, where you just, write it down, keep track of it, look at it when it expires, just like sim. It's a sim.
Order filled.
Do a sim trade of them. You guys will be impressed. If you start to put, like we do, $2,000 per trade, 89% or 80 whatever percent win rate makes you some good money in a month. About average maybe 5,000 on that 2,000. Good months we make about 10 on it. We have hit some break-even months before, but for the most part it's a good equity stream for us.
Order filled.
Nice move to the upside here. Good signal B action. Signal C takes advantage of this, we call it an oscillator, but when, so we got the big institutions in here, big buy. Anytime it pushes this oscillator above 90, it's obviously, a serious purchase. And we're being driven up north here. Big buyback after yesterday. Oh, got the RTY ODP. The RTY ODP is in full effect here.
Order submitted.
RTY 1 day past. Trying to go long. Coming back on it. Had a couple of trades this morning. We're patiently waiting there for another trade. Anybody making any money? Having any fun? How about that? We got the RTY here making 700, 800. RTY is pushing up this morning. The bot just snatched a hold of it. Ooh, big comeback. Smart stop. Shut the door on it.
Order filled.
candle pattern. That was a big drop. A big drop in price, if anybody saw that. That was a huge pullback. Another push up here. Good day for long trades. Get a little broader view of this market. Actually, I'm going to do it like this. We'll look at the 2-minute chart. Let's look at the 2-minute. NQ 2-minute. Big moves. We're looking at the NQ on the 2-minute chart. Since 9:30. Couple of big green candles. Great move to the upside for a 2-minute chart.
Order filled.
So we've got a new filter that we've developed inside the strategies. Not really using it to its full potential yet, but we can. It's a price velocity filter, and we can put in there how many ticks. How many ticks you want as your entry point. There's no sense in trading if the market ain't moving enough. So that candle right there, that 2-minute was 154 ticks. So that's a nice move on a 2-minute candle. I've got quite a few of my strategies saying it's got to be at least 80 ticks to participate in 2 minutes. And then you tell it how many candles to be awake to be trading after that big move. So there's a 100 tick move on the next 2-minute. Another 100 ticks. So these are the markets you want to play in. Another basically almost 100. Now it's getting a little soft. This one's under 100. That one's probably about 70. So you don't want to play in those. There's not enough movement to make money. Not enough, not enough, not enough. You know, there's a lot of those candles are losing candles. All these candles are all losers. You know, you just get chopped up. That's what I'm saying. There's just not enough extension in that candle to get to the money that we try to make with the auto trader with these big extended moves. So let me show you this strategy real quick, this Steven strategy, kind of the behind the scenes a little bit here, waiting for it to trade. Just kind of look at the settings of it. We leave all these strategies, I call it jailbroke, available for you to make it your own. You know, learn how this thing works and, you know, turn it into a serious equity stream. You can do it on your own too, so you don't need our help or anybody's help. We left it all open and accessible to just change everything. You know, by the click of a mouse here, you can change any of these settings. They're all available for you. We even have an AI component that you can, you know, use and change around that would try to filter out losers. So you can, you know, change the amount of data that you go back and look through, the amount of look back. This is, you know, this one's 2 weeks right now. You could do 2 months if we get enough data in the system. So there's a lot of settings here that are just available for you. some of the really important ones when you're trading your own money or even an account for an eval is this area right here, this risk management area. It's really where you want to do your daily loss and your daily profit. So you got to see what you can stomach, you know, what your financial advisor and you talk about, you know, how much are you willing to risk today or whatever on this particular strategy. That's where these two numbers get put in at. The entry signal is here. And then down here is the actual stop loss and profit target management. So all that we call it trade management, all the stop loss and trade management is down here. And then this section down here is where you put your account, if it's trading in the label of what you call it. So that's kind of the structure of the settings down here. This particular one, the trade management, I'm trading one contract, and the stop loss is at 100, so it's a $500 risk on one trade, and we're going for a $1,000 winner. So it's a 2-to-1. There's a little bit of action that goes on at 70 ticks. So once it's up 350 bucks, we go to break even. I can make that to, you know, 1 tick. I can make it to 10 ticks. You know, right now we were going to break even. I'm going to change it to plus 10. So if it does come back on us, we make at least a little bit of cash. So that would be 50 bucks if it comes back now. But then we've got the this is called our momentum-based trailing stop. It's the 15 right here. As the 15 goes from green, if we're going for a long trade, if it goes from green and price starts to peel back on it, it'll change yellow to red. When it changes yellow to red, it'll take you out of the trade. So that's a smart stop down there that we have running on this particular strategy. So to make any money, we got to be creative, and that's the strategy today. It's at 1,500 bucks still. Hasn't taken many trades here again. Slowed right down. Again, it's waiting for a signal C entry. So I'm looking at a 2-minute chart here. Another nice push to the upside. Good long trade day. Longs only.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, Steven, nice pull. Yes, smart stop. All right, nice. Robert, thank you. Robert helped us with that one. Thank you, Robert. Hopefully you're out there today doing fine. Had a good Halloween. Anybody dress up? Come on. Don't give me that. Who dressed up? It's the leaderboard this morning. Got the runner coming up. This is an exciting strategy. I'm running the Mack truck drone on my live account on the other computer. It's at 483 here.
Order submitted.
We're up 1,000 on our evals. This is the Rhythmic R Trader Pro. Huge dashboard. Shows you all the action. We're up about 1,000 here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Here's that smart stop. This is the one Stephen might be talking about. All right, getting a chance to trade here hopefully soon. What a nice move up there. Woo! Good day for long trades.
Order submitted.
That's the one. Steven called it. That one's a beauty.
Order filled.
Steven's up $2,000 on Rory Power's machine. I'm a little short. I'm at 1,500, baby. Woo! Can't quite get in trade here though. It's hard to get in when it's running away on us. Good time to switch up to Signal B though. Here we go. When it settles down, that's when Steven goes to work. Alright, now we're doing some orders. Signal D jumped in there.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
We'll check this one out. This one's Signal D.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
It's a version of the Mack truck here. This one's a 100 tick, I think this one's, yeah, right here. 100 tick stop, 100 tick target. We'll put this one to work too. This is a good one on a nice long move. It caught two big beauties right there. It caught that long trade, boom, first target. Long trade, second target. Long trade entry, long trade, first target. So it's trying to climb away here. Once we see one of these moves, we want to be part of it. This strategy will do it. It's all over the place. It's up 1,000. It's made a lot of trades here. Hit a lot of targets. Save this off, make sure it's get all the right settings. Oh, this one's a big one. Woo-wee. Get ready to go on this big dog. Go load that one up, put it on an account. That one will go to work for us. Load her up. $100. We want to get that account to 3,100. And we get zonked at 2,500. $18.44. All right, we'll get 1844 to work here for us. I'll duplicate this chart, and we'll show the sim and the eval account side by side here. Okay, let's peel back the onion one time. Looks like we got filled at 20. Sim account. Here's the sim account right here. Got filled at, two of them got filled at 2055.75. Over here we got filled at 2055.75. Same exact fill there. And we're going to change this to all long trades right after this trade. We'll do only longs moving forward. We tripped up into this this short here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So we'll set these both for long only. To do that inside of here, go right into this setting right here and take off the shorts. Get rid of that, take short trades. Hit OK. I'll go do this one, the same thing. No short trades for now. All right.
Order filled.
We are due for a pretty good pullback here, but that's okay. We'll just we'll hold tight on it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Wait for that one to take another trade. That'll be a little bit here.
Order
Steven bot might jump in. We'll take a short one with the Steven. That one's a little bit smaller risk. Oh, we got the 2-minute ODP. What? 2-minute 1-day pass, taking a short trade.
Order filled.
Ooh, exit on line change. 1-day pass made 2,000 bucks. All right, ODP. Woo. This is our special templates here. The special 1-day pass templates. Doesn't take many trades.
Submitted. Order filled.
Doesn't take many trades here. It jumped in with 10 contracts, trying to get us over the finish line. This one's been hot. The retirement plan. This is a version of the NQ 2-minute retirement plan. It's been hot. Last week it was super hot.
Submitted.
This week I think it's still making money. There's the bot. And there's the 1-day pass at $2,000. So that one just came flying in front of us here. All right, we jumped in on our Apex account here. This one's the
Order submitted.
20U 3030.
Order filled.
Took a long trade here. The Apex account over here on the right, I'm sorry, the left,
Order filled.
got filled at 246.5 and 0.75, and the SIM account got filled at the same exact prices, one at 0.5, one at 0.75. Uh-oh. Big trouble.
Order filled.
Big trouble. Pushed right right through 230, which it rarely does. That's big trouble. Big institutional move. Ooh, that one hurt. Fuck. A long trade idea only is a bad idea. We were in that short trade. We were in right here short. Oh, don't outsmart the machine, man. That's what I've learned. Don't mess with the machine. The machine knows. It's smarter than you. This machine's smarter than me. I gotta admit it. All right, let's let it do its thing like it always does. Don't act like we know what we're doing here.
Order submitted.
All right, she's back, doing what it's supposed to do, whatever it senses here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Got the runner making a move here. I think my Steven bot will take a trade if we get a nice push to the upside here. This is exciting strategy right here, this runner. Signal A runner.
Order filled.
Boom, shakalaka, 1100.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And go save this one off, and we'll bring this one to life here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
And go load that NQ8U runner.
Order filled.
It's a fun strategy. Runs on signal A. So this one I have the velocity filter, so we have to have a nice move on the 2-minute candle. We got to have at least a 100-tick move for this thing to even participate. So if the market's not moving fast enough, we don't even get the trade. So it's kind of a, maybe a little bit of a wait and see kind of strategy. Just it'll just jump in when it's supposed to, when the market's right. Beautiful strategy, doesn't take many trades. So we've got 3 of them rolling now. We got Steven Drone, this NQ8U or 20U, Signal D running, and now we just put the Signal A runner. So we've got them all kind of populated through here. These first 4 are running on Steven. This one's running on this signal D right here. And then I just put this this runner bot on number 45 here. So that's what we're rolling with. Woo! 5,200. Way to go, Rue. Congratulations. That was a big move. Big first target. This is the runner. The runner's running, runner closed. Okay, got a little bit back on that one. About a $250 trade on that one. Yeah, got 200. This one lost 60. See if we get Steven Bot to jump in again for us. Doing super good earlier. It was doing a lot of trading and it kind of slowed down, making me wonder what's going on in here. Close that gap right up there. NQ pushed up about 200 points already this morning. Nice moves. And we're going long all over the place. Good long trade coming up, hopefully. See if we can get back to 20,200. Whee! Here we go. Come on, baby. Awesome. So over on the right, I got the sim account. Over on the left, we got the eval account. We can kind of look at the entries real quick and see where we entered. Long entry on the left is 187 even. Long entry on the right is 187 even. Sim account on the right, live account on the left. $370 trade here. Come on, baby. Trailing stop, rolling behind it a long ways though. Got a 400 tick trailer here. Giving it some room to breathe. Market likes room to breathe, this NQ does, for sure. We'll see though, we might get stopped out. Oh, boom. Boy, that one came back quick, didn't it? Holy moly. That thing was avalanche coming down the mountain, as they say. Woo! All right, we pulled in a nice fish on that one. We're up 445 down here.
Order filled.
Nice little comeback on that move.
Order filled.
Woo! Way to go, Marcia. Nice little snipe there.
Order sub-
And the big dog, 860. Congratulations.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Breaking even. Down 100.
Order submitted.
Got 145 in too.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Uh-oh.
Filled.
Oh, that one was going long. Oh, wow. Yeah, this one's on a way different time frame. 44 is on a
Order
8 Unaranko.
filled. Order filled.
Okay, Steven's in.
Order submitted.
This one's all the goodies here. In the kitchen sink.
Order
Both these are set up for short trades. Let's see if we can get a push through the 70s here. Through 170. 170 is going to be tight. 170 is a tough one to get through. Look at that resistance 170 just put up. Didn't even consider it. Didn't even consider it staying there for a split second. A lot of buyers in here. Come on, baby. Hit this. Hit this little guy. We're at 168.25 here on this target. This gets us in a nice position. If we can make this one little winner here. Come on, baby. Throw in the haymaker here. Come on. Uh-oh. We in trouble. We in trouble. They head faked us here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
We don't like this trade.
Order filled.
170 is a tough number. Look at him holding the 70s back. Woo!
Order submitted.
Down 250.
Order filled.
Down 350. Uh-oh. They smoked us here.
Order filled.
They smoked us on this one. Ah! Woo! That was a big order chunk. Boy, way to hold 170 there. That was hardcore. Rolled us up on this one. Little yo-yo going on here. Down 200. Getting ran over here.
Order submitted.
Woo! What a buyer. Oh, man. Whoa, got tripped into that one.
Order submitted.
1845 made a nice trade there. Okay, see if we can continuation this long. Fill that gap there. And we got a long trade. This one's the 20 Unarenko.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Power move. Got a power player here. We're up 300.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Whoo, what a big move. Holy moly, we got some institutional money at work today.
Order filled.
Up 400. The comeback trade right here. Come on. Trying to push through the 2025. Up 400. Getting soft. It's going to come back down, test the 20s again. Take a quick break if you guys don't mind. Keep an eye on this for me. Make sure it doesn't lose money.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, good job, guys. Way to go. Woo, kept me in this trade.
Order filled.
Sure would like to knock on this target right here. Huge target. Get you right back in the game here. Got to run through these 230s though. We're trading the Tech Titans here. Okay, coming back on us. NQ live action. Getting soft.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Looked like it ran out of gas on the NQ here, didn't it? She was a moving. Ooh, the 2 minute jumped in again. Pushed itself to the profit loss or the profit limit of the day. The P&L target. Way to go, 2 minute. ODP. Ruse in house. Say, oh. We got the runner. We're trading the runner here. We got that one on
Order filled.
number 45 here. It got 306 for me so far. Steven Drone still up 1,000 on my machine here. I'm running this one right now. It's the one running right here and right here. Shows 590. Right here, 620, 640. This is what it should be identical. Here and here. This one's a little slower to catch up, I think.
Order filled.
Okay, so we let that trade breathe right there. Boy, did it need all the room there to breathe, though, that we gave it, I'll tell ya. Woo! Come on, trade. Ah! Man, that was a good-looking move. Thought we were going to tiptoe right up there and snatch that big dog. Let the big dog eat. It's a big time trade here if you get this one. I actually don't even know how much it is. I thought it was $1,000 if you make this target here. I think that's $1,000, yeah.
Order submitted.
800. So we've got these strategies designed so the risk or reward hopefully makes us money every day. That's the idea, is that we know the win percentage of these strategies, and then we can set the ATMs, the trade management of these targets, at a number that makes it almost mathematically impossible not to be successful. That's the idea. So that's why we've got some of these that have to go out to $1,000. If we're going to risk 100, you got to have at least a 2-to-1 to make money. These ones, this one here is going to go to try to reach out here and get a $1,000 winner. Come on, baby. Nice job, Marcia. Made it her own. I swear, if anybody does that, I swear this could be a long-term play for you. Like, this can be your strategy for, you know, financial freedom. If you figure it out, you can just have your bot quietly working in the market that you think is the best. I was always looking for this before I bought this company. That's why I bought it. I was always looking for software that I didn't have to be like so glued to the darn my phone, actually, is what I was trading on. So this is, in my opinion, way better. I don't have to worry about the phone staying attached to it all day long. Okay, we got a good nugget back there. All right, my Mack truck's in.
Order filled.
I'm up 370.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's really sweet, Marcia. Thank you. All right, so we got some live action with David Wise. I think it's probably time for me to go ahead and flip over and hand off the reins to David here. He'll jump on the mic and show us a little bit about the options and what kind of activities going on. Just so you know, just got another closed trade that he sent out. This one was CRWD. I think it's CrowdStrike, and we made 15-cent profit on it. Way to go, David. Boom shakalaka. Awesome. All right, guys. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me this morning on a Friday. Really appreciate it. Happy Halloween weekend. Get ready for Black Friday. Speaking of Black Friday, let me bring it over. Super excited to bring more people into the RLT family. So we've dug deep and reached wide and tried to make it accessible to as many people as possible. So we've done some nice improvements on pricing. So if you guys want to check us out, go ahead and check out our website now. We kind of rebranded a little bit. It's this time of the year. We're working on this new business. So trying to work them both together. We've got big payday funding coming to us. So looking forward to that, getting the Ninja Trader relationship worked out and our data feeds all set up, and I've got the software ready to buy. So man, I'm super excited about it. Just working through the whole, I call it the red tape. This is the red tape zone that I'm in right now. So if we can work through the red tape zone, we'll get there. I should have all my ducks in a row, hopefully, if I can put them in the right places. So I hope that we can share that in the future and have some fun with some of our own eval accounts and some competitions where we just do free giveaways. That's what one of my favorites is. So I'm really looking forward to that, guys. Everybody, thanks a lot for joining us. If you haven't smashed that like button, the thumbs up, give us that thumbs up, please. That goes a long ways with the YouTube. It sends us out across the promotions there. So thanks again for joining us, and hope you have a great weekend and make some money and have some fun. Bye, guys.